tahu, ma'am. So those are ano hagwano? Batches ng
okay.
yan yung ginagawang organic fertilizer po. Pero dito bawal kumuha din.
My God, you scared me.
What's that? What's that thingy?
Wow.
Okay, fine. You do this. I'll do this. I need to open.
Those are ano ma'am, swallow bird. Yung gumagawa po yan ng medicine, yung bird's nest.
I'm scared. It's like entering a horror train.
Those are making medicine.
Miss, cold water, cave water, hot water, bat survival.
We're going to get wet. There's nothing touching. What's my bag?
Holy water. So, if you kill worms, then the bats
Oh, that was so little.
I just look up with your mouth open.
What's that? Ew!
That's the wee wee of the
Your helmet. Yeah, there's lots of bats.
Ito naman yung pinakaano ng malalim po ito, 9 meters during high tide po. Pero na low tide, so ano naman po yan mga pwede po.
Full of bats, my God.